Alright, YouTube, been a long time since I posted a video about these four-wheelers. So right here we got the Outlander L Max. It's a Can-Am 450. Let's see, where's the 450 at? Right here. 450. So they've been sitting the whole winter, and I just got them out to get them serviced and stuff. Make sure everything's working before we take them out to the trail. Had them running yesterday, and the check engine light was on, and it said it was overheating. So it was in the limp home mode. All day it was just idling. So what I did first, like my last video, I came here to the hell are these shit called? To the what are these shit called? Fuse box. God damn. Okay. Sorry about that. But the fuse box. So right here, this is the fuse for to kick on the fan. This is always my first check. Since I had this problem before, I checked the fuse by just pulling it out, and it was broken. So I used the spare fuse, which I need to go buy some more because I'm all out of the 20s. So this is a good fuse. I got it from the other four-wheeler spare fuses. All right, so the fuse was bad. I replaced it, and the fan still wouldn't come on. So my next step was to come under here where the fan is at. You can see this is the fan here. You can see the blade turning. So I didn't know if the fan was bad or not. So what I did, instead of taking everything apart, I pulled the fan wiring harness from the main wiring harness, which is right here, this piece right here. I pulled it out. So this is attached to the fan, so the fan motor. And so to test the fan, I got me a cord that I cut from a fan that don't work, and I connected it to the positive and negative terminals on the battery, and I ran it under here. And you could tell if your fan ain't working because it should spin freely like this, but what mine was doing is that it wasn't spinning freely. It would just, I had to force to turn it. So what happened was it had a lot of dirt build up in the motor of the fan, which was keeping it from spinning freely. And how I found that out is that I took my two terminals, two leads, and let me see if I could get this in. And I poked one in. It don't matter which side you push it in. Push it in there. One in there. Oops. And then the other one goes, come on, camera. There we go. And as you can hear, the fan is constantly blowing. So that tells me that all it was is that it had dirt stuck, which causing the fan to not rotate. This is my way of testing to make sure that the motor for the fan still works. And to stop it, you just pull the cords out, and that turns it on. So since it was stuck, I used silicone blasket lubricant, and I sprayed it on the shaft for the fan. Let me see if I can show you. Where is it at? Oh, I think I can show you right there. Let me see. Okay. So straight in there is the shaft. It goes left to right here. So I sprayed it right in there while I rotated it by hand, and then it started getting free. So I rotated a couple times this way, and then I reversed the rotation, sprayed some more, And I kept doing it till it got loose enough. Then I turned it on with connecting the wires to the leads right here. And as it spinned, I sprayed some more just to be on the safe side. All right, so that fixed my overheating problem. If y'all need any more information, or as I do some more work on these Outlanders 450, I'll post them on the channel.